Want to make your Illustrator designs pop off the screen? Let's transform flat vector art into dynamic, eye-catching illustrations using the power of shadows and highlights. First, select the shape you want to add depth to. I'm starting with this basic circle now. Duplicate your shape. You can do this by holding Alt or Option while dragging the shape, or by using copy and paste. Offset the duplicated shape slightly from the original. This will be our shadow. Change the fill color of the duplicated shape to a darker shade of the original color, or even a dark gray. To soften the shadow, go to Effect, then Blur, then Gaussian blur. Adjust the radius until the shadow looks natural and diffuse. The amount of blur you add depends on the size of your artwork. Next, in the transparency panel, change the blend mode of the shadow shape to multiply. This will make the shadow interact with the colors beneath it, creating a more realistic effect. Now, let's add a highlight. Duplicate the original shape again, and this time, offset it slightly in the opposite direction of the shadow. Change the fill color to a lighter shade of the original color, or even white. Just like with the shadow, go to Effect, then Blur, then Gaussian blur to soften the highlight. This will create a glowing effect. In the transparency panel, change the blend mode of the highlight shape to screen or overlay. Experiment to see which looks best for your specific design. Screen will create a brighter effect, while overlay will be more subtle. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, we've added depth and dimension to our vector art using shadows and highlights. This technique can be applied to any shape or illustration in Adobe Illustrator, so get creative and start experimenting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.